Tired of juggling complex banking integrations and risking user data? Then this tutorial on integrating Plaid into your tool will unlock secure bank connectivity, making financial data retrieval a breeze in under 90 seconds. First, head over to Plaid.com and create a free developer account. This gives you access to Plaid's API keys and dashboard. Once you've logged in, find your API keys. You'll need these later to authenticate your requests. Keep them safe and treat them like passwords. Now, inside your tool's environment, install the official Plaid library or SDK for your chosen programming language. It simplifies interacting with Plaid's API. Next, implement the Plaid link flow, which is a secure and user-friendly interface for users to connect their bank accounts. Plaid link handles authentication and security behind the scenes within your code. Initialize the Plaid client with your API keys and configure the link token generation endpoint, which is required for the user to begin linking their account. Display the Plaid link modal in your application using the token you generated. Your users will then select their bank, enter their credentials through Plaid's secure interface, and grant your application the necessary permissions. Once the user successfully links their account, Plaid will return an exchange token. Finally, exchange this token for an access token, which allows you to securely access the user's financial data, like account balances, transaction history, and identity information. Remember to always handle this data responsibly and in compliance with privacy regulations. With Plaid seamlessly integrated, you can now securely fetch and analyze financial data within your tool, unlocking a world of possibilities.